Welcome back, guys. As you know, we are here in course of mastering PyTorch, and in our today's lecture, we are going to configure the PyTorch powered by GPU on AWS environment. To do this configuration, you must have AWS account, and you just needs to sign in to the AWS management console with your username and password to get start work on it. Here you just needs to uh, type the EC2, that is the virtual server in the cloud. So you just needs to select the EC2 instance from here, and now if you see here, we need to choose the launch instance button from here, and when we click on it here, the launch instance, then uh, we need to select the AWS Deep Learning AMI from the AWS Marketplace tab here. So here you need to select Deep Learning, Ubuntu, and Deep Learning Ubuntu is coming over here. So, and also you can see like that the PyTorch as well. So if you see here with the latest deep learning frameworks pre-installed, then the MXNet, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Chainer, Kef2, Theano, CNTK configured with the NVIDIA CUDA. So we just needs to select this type of the instance from here. And if you see here, uh, uh, now we just need to select the instance type for deep learning and deployment. So here we just need to uh, select the GPU compute. If you see here the uh, uh, compute optimized GPU, uh, GPU instance, here the GPU graphics, but here the uh, GPU compute facility is the uh, not available here in the GPU compute. So GPU graphics, GPU instances are available with the G2.2x large, and here the GPU instance. So select this. So that's it. So we have to be the uh, click on to the review and the launch. If you see here, then there is a security group is the launch wizard 3, and that's it. So we just needs to set here the my IP, so it will be the accessible to the just only on your machine. So that's it here. and now you just needs to click on the launch, and here uh, uh, create a new key pair, and here the PyTorch instance key. Here we go. Here we go. This is the key. We just click on it here, and now we need to launch the instance here. Now if you see here, the your instance are now not working. So by clicking on the view instances, you can see your instance if it is working. So it's just loading it. So here if we see PyTorch, PyTorch is here. So here we need to copy this public DNS IP4, and now we need to open the terminal for here. This is the terminal, and we need to just cd the we just have to create the downloaded the security file here. This is this one, and here cd this. Just needs to cd this, and now mode 04, and this one is, and now it is. Now we need to and localhost, and then localhost, PyTorch instance, key.pam, and Ubuntu, and sorry, we need to just paste it. So now you can see here. So here we just needs to provide this yes. ECDS key fingerprint is this. You can copy it somewhere if you want, and if you see here, now it is the we got access to our this system. Now in this terminal, you just needs to open the Jupyter notebook, and it will uh, uh, show us the URL for to get access for this, and then we will see it. You can see just writing notebook server cookie secret to this, and it's loading, and it takes some time, and then it will create for us. If you see here, this is the URL for available to start the new notebook here. If you see here, we can like this. It's initializing and it will take some time. So maybe it's yes, it's still it is starting. So not completed yet. It is the starting and initializing it. So when it will be the initial scan for a virtual environment will be the complete, then we can open it. So if you see here, this is the copy, and now if we want to open here, yeah. Now here in the browser, you can navigate to this URL, and I'm just zooming it out to view on it. So here you can choose a new notebook using any popular uh, deep learning framework, including the if I say here the uh, Python environment, Conda, Python, Channel, Cafe. If you see here the other, then you can see here the Cafe, CNTK, Python 3, PyTorch, uh, 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 P27 and PyTorch P36. So anyone you can select from here, then uh, you can basically use any of the deep learning framework and start. Now you have basically successfully launched an instance of AWS Learning AMI, AWS Deep Learning AMI, and you can further move forward and write the code on it here. The environment conda pytorch p27 is launched here, and you can write your kernels, models, everything here easily. So that's it, guys, all about the configuration of the PyTorch um, uh, powered by GPU on AWS instance. So it is running. So thank you, guys, and bye for now. And also you can deallocate and stop or terminate this instance.